How do I download and install ESPN Plus on my smart TV?
Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing ESPN Plus on your smart TV. ESPN Plus is a popular streaming service that allows you to access live sports events, exclusive shows, and on-demand content. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy all the exciting sports action right on your big screen. So, let's get started.
Check Smart TV compatibility.
Before we proceed, let's make sure your smart TV is compatible with the ESPN Plus app. ESPN Plus is available on a wide range of smart TV platforms, including Android TV, Apple TV, Roku, Samsung Smart TV, and more. Ensure that your TV's operating system is supported before proceeding to the next step.
Access the App Store on your smart TV.
To download ESPN Plus, we need to access the App Store on your smart TV. The process may vary depending on your TV's brand and model, but it generally involves the following steps. 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the home screen. 2. Look for the App Store icon. It is typically represented by a shopping bag or a logo specific to your TV's brand. 3. Once you locate the App Store, click or press on the icon to open it.
Search for ESPN Plus.
Now that you're in the App Store, it's time to search for ESPN Plus. Follow these steps to find and download the app. 1. Navigate to the search bar within the App Store. 2. Using your TV remote or on-screen keyboard, type in ESPN Plus and press the Enter or Search button. 3. A list of search results will appear. Look for the official ESPN Plus app and select it.
Download and install ESPN Plus.
With the ESPN Plus app selected, it's time to download and install it on your smart TV. Here's what you need to do. 1. Click or select the download or install button associated with the ESPN Plus app. 2. The app will begin downloading. The download time will depend on your internet connection speed. 3. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your smart TV.
Launch and sign in to ESPN Plus.
Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed ESPN Plus on your smart TV. Now, let's launch the app and sign in. 1. Locate the ESPN Plus app icon on your TV's home screen or app list. 2. Click or select the icon to launch the app. 3. You will be prompted to sign in to your ESPN Plus account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password using your TV remote or an on-screen keyboard. 4. If you don't have an ESPN Plus account, you can sign up for one by following the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and signed in to ESPN Plus on your smart TV. Now you can enjoy live sports, exclusive shows, and on-demand content right from the comfort of your living room. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic time watching your favorite sports on ESPN Plus.